year is 2029. Taiwan Strait. An F-35A. Lightning II cuts through contested airspace at 35,000 feet. Its sensor fusion engine tracking 18 simultaneous threats. But the pilot's hands aren't on the stick. An AI algorithm is flying the jet, processing terabytes of battlefield data, coordinating with autonomous drones 200 miles ahead. This isn't a test flight, it's a live combat mission. And the technology making it possible, Block 4, almost didn't happen. 3 years late, 6 billion over budget. 75 capabilities that were supposed to arrive in 2026, now delayed until 2032. But when it finally deploys, Block 4 will determine whether America's $16.5 billion bet on the F-35 keeps it dominant, or whether China's J-20s and Russia's S-70 Hunters close the gap first. October 31st, 2025. Edwards Air Force Base, California. A Marine Corps F-35B launches two AGM-158C LRASM anti-ship missiles during live fire testing. No human hand guides them after release. The missiles fly autonomously, skimming wave tops at subsonic speed, their AI-driven targeting systems locking onto a surrogate warship 150 miles downrange. Both impacts score direct hits. The test sends what analysts call a strong strategic message to China about US resolve in the Pacific. This is Block 4's promise, not just upgraded sensors and bigger weapons loads, but a fundamental transformation in how the F-35 fights. A jet that can quarterback autonomous drones, share real-time targeting data across NATO networks, jam enemy radar without firing a shot. The most aggressive fighter upgrade in history, according to Lockheed Martin officials. But delivery has been anything but smooth. By 2023, the Pentagon faced an uncomfortable reality. China wasn't just building stealth fighters, it was fielding them faster than anyone predicted. The J-20 Mighty Dragon, with over 350 operational aircraft and climbing. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword stealth drone, designed for penetrating strikes against US carrier groups. The Dark Sword unmanned combat prototype, rumored to exceed Mach 2. Russia, despite economic constraints, was deploying the S-70 Hunter, an autonomous wingman drone partnered with Su-57 fighters. And both adversaries were layering contested regions with integrated air defenses specifically engineered to counter fifth-generation stealth. China's HQ-9B surface-to-air missiles with enhanced counter-stealth radar. Russia's S-400 and S-500 systems creating overlapping bubbles of lethality. The F-35, dominant in 2020, risked becoming the hunted rather than the hunter by decade's end. Block 4 exists to prevent that future, to ensure that when peer conflict erupts, the Lightning II remains the predator. What is Block 4? At its core sits Technology Refresh 3, TR3, the F-35's new brain. 25 times more computing power than the legacy system. Open Mission Systems architecture. Memory modules capable of running artificial intelligence algorithms in real time. Much like a new mobile phone, explains Lieutenant General Michael Schmidt, F-35 Program Executive Officer. TR3 will host new Block 4 capabilities with significantly more computing power. Without TR3, Block 4 cannot function. It's the foundation for everything else. An advanced AESA radar replacing the current APG-81, detecting threats at greater range and fidelity. Enhanced electronic warfare suites with new jamming modes that can spoof or deceive enemy radar signatures. The distributed aperture system, sharpened to track hypersonic missiles during terminal phase. Sensor fusion that feeds pilots, or AI decision aids, a crystal-clear, real-time picture of multi-domain battle space. Weapons capacity jumps, 6 AMRAAM air-to-air missiles internally instead of 4. Integration of JASSM standoff cruise missiles for deep strike, LRASM anti-ship weapons for naval targets, and the B-6112 nuclear gravity bomb, turning the F-35 into NATO's new nuclear deterrent platform. Modular, adaptable, future-proof. That's the vision. China's counter-stealth advances in parallel. JY-27. A radar optimized for low observable detection, infrared tracking algorithms analyzing engine exhaust, passive sensor networks triangulating without emitting, the FH-97 loyal wingman, each J-20 commanding multiple drones to swarm US fighters through numbers. Russia emphasizes electronic warfare, Krasuka-4 jamming AWACS and satellites to 300 kilometers, Se-70 hunter drones penetrating defended airspace stealthily. Block 4's upgrades, improved EW, AI countermeasures, network resilience, counter these threats specifically. It's a technology race where adversaries never stop. Taiwan Strait, 2030. Night, storm clouds. An F-35A penetrates Chinese A2/AD zones at Angels 35. 200 miles ahead, 4 autonomous combat aircraft sweep forward, drawing fire. Chinese HQ-9B batteries lock on. 3 drones evade, 1 dies, but the sacrifice yields data. The F-35's AI processes the SAM's radar signature and crafts a countermeasure in milliseconds. Electronic warfare activates, a directed pulse blinds the battery's fire control. Simultaneously, the jet data links coordinates to a destroyer 250 miles east. Tomahawk launches. The F-35 never fires. It coordinates, commands, survives. Multi-domain warfare. 1 aircraft orchestrating effects across air, sea, and cyber. But there's tension in this capability, an engineering showdown that won't resolve easily. Block 4's electronics demand massive power and cooling. The current Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, designed 15 years ago, can't provide enough of either. Running the engine beyond design limits generates excess heat, reducing service life and adding $38 billion in maintenance costs over the fleet's lifetime. The Pentagon's solution? An engine core upgrade program to boost the F-135's thrust and thermal management. But that upgrade won't arrive until 2031, years after Block 4 needs it. Honeywell, the thermal management contractor, proposes a stopgap, doubling the F-35's cooling capacity from 32 to 80 kilowatts, using mostly existing hardware. Low risk, incremental, but even that won't fully close the gap. Meanwhile, Block 4's advanced radar and sensor fusion systems push data processing to the edge of current architecture limits. If cooling fails mid-mission, systems throttle back. Sensors degrade, the technological edge disappears. Experts acknowledge the dilemma openly. We're asking the F-35 to do things it wasn't originally designed for, one program official admitted. That's the paradox of modernization, adding capability faster than infrastructure can support it. Block 4 traces to early 2020s when Skunk Works infused NGAD research into the F-35. Requirements drafted. By 2023, Lockheed led integration, Raytheon built radars, Pratt & Whitney tackled engines. Original 2026 completion evaporated fast. TR-3 hit snags, software glitches, integration bugs. By 2024, all 110 deliveries were late by average 238 days. Jets grounded at Fort Worth awaiting fixes. The JPO halted deliveries. Flight testing pushed to 2025 to 26. Operational testing, mid-FY 2026. Budget, $16.5 billion, $6 billion over estimates. GAO documented cost growth from technical challenges and scope creep. Senate appropriations rebuked the JPO for overruns, demanding transparency. By 2025, the program restructured, trimming features to deliver core capabilities by 2030. Behind the numbers, Lockheed's Fort Worth facility retrofitting older jets with TR-3. Raytheon's Massachusetts plants producing AESA radars. Pratt & Whitney's Connecticut shops redesigning cooling systems. Honeywell's Arizona facility prototyping thermal upgrades. Skunk Works running AI Fight Club simulations where algorithms dogfight virtually against every threat profile. Thousands of jobs, dozens of suppliers, engineers debugging software, test pilots at Edwards pushing systems to failure. Defense megaprojects at human scale. Block 4's strategic implications reverberate globally. For the US, it solidifies the F-35 as air dominance cornerstone into the 2030s. bridging to sixth-generation fighters still in development. Over 1,200 jets delivered to 19 nations means Allied air forces from Norway to Japan benefit equally. Dutch F-35As sharing targeting with Polish batteries. Italian jets with Meteors alongside US MC-LRASMS. Global interoperability by design. For adversaries, it complicates calculus. China must account for F-35s coordinating autonomous drones and striking from standoff range. Russia must adapt defenses to AI-driven EW. Both will accelerate their programs. China's sixth-gen fighter, Russia's S-500 expansion. The race tightens, but Block 4 ensures the US doesn't cede initiative. Yet challenges remain stark. 3 years of delays let adversaries narrow the gap. TR-3's rollout exposed concurrency risks. Producing jets while developing upgrades creates cascading failures. Engine and cooling constraints persist until 2031 upgrades arrive, meaning performance limitations. Budget overruns strain Pentagon resources. Congressional patience wears thin. Operational risks, GPS jamming disrupting networked warfare, cyber vulnerabilities in open architectures, AI oversight questions. Geopolitically, delays hand rivals propaganda. Every setback becomes evidence of American vulnerability. We know the threat continues to evolve, and we have to stay ahead, said one Lockheed VP. Staying ahead requires delivery. Delivery has proven harder than anticipated. So here's the question. Should a human always have final approval before an AI-equipped F-35 launches weapons in contested airspace? Or should autonomous systems be trusted to decide in the split second when network connectivity fails? Type human or machine in the comments. This is DIB Dispatch, where billion-dollar projects meet battlefield reality.